told you that a 3-week fast isn't just about skipping meals, it's a complete reset of your body and your mind. Now, each time, before I even consider my own 3-week fast, I have to face some tough questions. Something like, am I really ready? Is my fasting preparation strong enough? Now, I'm asking the same questions even after 28 years of fasting. Today, I'm sharing the exact questions I use to test myself before I start my fasting journey each year. But to make things a little more fun, the questions will be in the form of a quiz. So by the end, there should be no more guessing. The answers will be clear. So let's find out if you have what it takes. Pre-fasting preparation is everything if you want your fasting experience to be such that you'll want to repeat it. Now, I've spoken much about the topic on this channel already, and I summed it up all in my ebook, which you can download completely for free, and the link will be down in the description. However, while the ebook forces you to think, this quiz will be an extension of it. It will give you the feedback that will motivate you to take the next step. Hopefully. Now, I created this 15-question checklist based on my own experience preparing for a 3-week fast. And trust me, it revealed a lot about my readiness. Now, we're going to cover everything from your relationship with food, your hydration habits, your mental preparation, even your sleep patterns. So by the end, you should know if you're ready to take on this challenge or if it's smarter to start a little bit smaller. To give you the idea what to expect, here's a quick sum up of the questions. Now, first thing to ponder over will be your physical readiness. Have you ever done shorter fasts before, like 24 hours, 48, or maybe even 72 hours, maybe a water fast? And have you dealt with hunger, low energy? How well do you cope with cravings? Now, these answers will be the foundations of your fast. And they can mean a difference between a great fasting experience on one end and a 3-week crash course in suffering. The second thing to consider is your health and safety. Now, do you have any medical conditions where taking medication is something that you have to do daily? Think about the diseases like diabetes or heart issues or anything affecting metabolism. Bottom line, you need to consult your doctor. No exceptions. This isn't about pushing through. It's about knowing your risks. All right, the next set of questions will be about mental and emotional preparation. In a word, mindset. As with all important decisions, mindset is the key to turning your vision into a reality. Now, fasting breaks more than just habits. It can bring up fear, anger, sadness, or even trauma. You're not just skipping food when you're fasting, you're stripping away coping mechanisms. Now, if you rely on food for control or comfort, this fast could amplify that, not solve it. So be honest with yourself and take at least a week to notice your eating patterns. All right, and the last set of questions will be about your environment and planning. Now, what does your daily or weekly schedule look like? Are you working full-time? Are you running errands? Are you doing school pickups? Are you training at the gym? When fasting, you need space, mentally and physically. You will want peace and you will long for quiet and rest. And finally, deciding on your fasting duration won't mean only those 3 weeks when you won't be eating anything. You will also need to consider the adjustment time when the fast ends. How will you refeed? Because breaking the fast wrong can undo everything. All right, enough. This isn't meant to scare you off. Fasting can be beautiful, healing, and deeply clarifying. But the longer the fast, the higher the stakes. This isn't just a 3-day reset. This is a proper vacation. Just think of it without all-you-can-eat buffet. Now, to help you decide if you're truly ready, I put together a short quiz, as I mentioned in the beginning. It's only 15 questions, it takes less than 5 minutes, and it can be quite an eye-opener. It'll give you a really honest look at your current readiness for a 3-week fast. My advice, be honest. The quiz will show you what's solid and where you might need to do a little bit more work before taking the leap. And that's it. Taking this quiz might surprise you. It definitely surprised me. Now, when I first started preparing for my own 3-week fast, I thought that after 28 years I had it all figured out. Until this checklist. This checklist revealed the blind spots I really didn't even know I had. Now, whether you scored high or low today, remember, this fasting isn't about perfection, it's about growth. So the next step might be a short fast, a lifestyle change, or maybe even your own 3-week day broise fast. But whatever it is, let's take it on together. And if you scored high on the test and will be looking for ways to get started, I have a Q&A series which you can watch next, where I answer the most frequently asked questions. And I think this will be enough for today. Now, the link to the quiz will be down in the description. And what else? Nothing. I would like to just say thank you for your time, thank you for your patience, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.